This unboxing video is a year and 23 days old, and that's the time I decided to build this Orlando Hunter 132 scale Scania semi-truck kit, which didn't come with any electronics and I had to collect them throughout time. But after unboxing it, I didn't start assembling until about a couple of weeks ago, because I didn't think it will have this many parts to assemble, and I didn't do my research and just bought it because it was on sale. But today you will see it completed except for the lights and body paint, which I will work on later. This kit has the tiniest screws and so many parts, even Orlando themselves described this as their most component heavy model yet. You will not see me assembling it because of the time it took to complete. And that brings us to today. This is what's left after I was done. And this is the truck.